RES 118, Kotlapati. Evening. Wait, I'm just sharing my screen with you. Yes, you may start.
Good evening, everyone. This is Potlapati Varakumar from JSS College of Pharmacy, Ooty, and today my presentation topic is docking and ADME-tox screening and binding free energy calculations of some novel auxin substituted 9-aniline acridine as HER2 inhibitors targeting breast cancer. When it comes to introduction, breast cancer is one of the malignant tumors which mainly affect the female population. Breast cancer accounts for 25 to 32% of female cancers in all cities across India. In India, one woman is diagnosed with breast cancer every 4 minutes. One woman dies of breast cancer every 13 minutes in India. And based on the receptors, breast cancer is differentiated. Types of receptors are estrogen receptor positive and progesterone receptor positive, and HER2 receptors. HER2 means human epidermal growth factor receptor 2. Here in this study, we are taken HER2 receptors. Here 20% of the cases in breast cancer is due to overexpression of epidermal growth factor receptors 2. In general, 9-aniline derivatives play an important role for anti-tumor having activity of DNA intercalating properties. Comes to materials and methods, 3D crystal structure of HER2 receptors was retrieved and prepared by protein preparation wizards of EPIC module. The ligands 1A to Z were generated and subjected to ligand preparation module. The docking studies are performed by GLIDE module, and in silico ADMET screening was performed with QuickScope module, and binding energy of ligands was calculated using prime MMGB as a module of Schrodinger suit. We used Schrodinger suit 2019 for the ligands were docked into receptors, and the interactions were scored using GLIDE docking program using XP mode and OPLS 3/4 fields. Here in figure 1 we can see the docking pose of all CPDS, and here in figure 2 ligand interactions of 1s with 3PPO. When it comes to results and discussions, the oxygen substituted 9-aniline acridines such as all these substitutes like 1s, 1r, and 1l, 1m, 1h, 1b, 1a, 1b, and all these are significantly binding with active sites of HER2 targets with significant GLIDE scores when compared to the standard drug tamoxifen used for anti-breast cancer agent. The docking results of all compounds exhibiting similar mode of interaction with the residues lysine 724 to leucine 852 play a crucial role in binding. The ADME-tox properties are within the recommended value. The value of MMGBSA are significant to show the stability of binding pose of ligand and protein. Finally, the compounds 1s, 1r, and up to 1z are significantly active against HER2 and used for further development. Presently in this study, we went for only HER2 receptor. In future, we'll go for ER plus and PR plus receptors also. Here small correction is there in table 1. Here docking studies of novel auxin substituted 9-aniline acridines as on HER2 inhibitors. All these are the gliding scores when compared to the tamoxifen we have taken as a standard. Thank you.
Yeah, Surya, it's, what's your name?
My name is Varakumar, madam.
Varakumar, है ना?
Yes, madam.
Yes. Nicely presented.
Thank you, ma'am.
You used Schrodinger for your docking study?
Sorry, ma'am?
What software you used? Schrodinger?
Schrodinger, ma'am. Schrodinger suit.
Okay. Do you have a purchased version or free version you used for this?
Purchased version, it is in our college, madam.
Okay, good. Just I want to know the prospects of docking studies, future prospects of docking study. Generalized question.
In future, we go for remaining receptors, madam, and we do other oxygen derivatives. Here we presented nearly 10 derivatives, and we go for remaining oxygen substituted 9-acridino derivatives.
Okay. And how you interpret your docking studies results with your wet lab?
Firstly, we go for docking and ADMET studies, ma'am, based on the GLIDE scores and ranging, we go for the wet lab, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.